Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. A survey conducted by Branch Consulting and Outsourcing Services last year indicated to RJA News that 9 out of every 10 Jamaicans have ready access to cash, but only 6 out of every 10 have access to a phone with a mobile money app. The same survey also revealed that cash remains the most widely used in-person payment method, while indicating that its dominance is reduced when the payments of large sums are required. The firm also found that credit cards are used mostly to facilitate payments for high-value purchases such as gasoline, durable goods such as jewelry, utility bills, and digital subscription and taxes. Meanwhile, Branch Consulting is also reporting that 9 out of 10 respondents to the survey revealed that they did not use the central bank digital currency. Approximately 3 out of every 10 credit card users said the point-of-sale machine in the country are reliable, while 5 stressed that they were not so reliable. For the trading period of March 12, 2026, the most actively traded securities were A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings 6% Class A preference shares with 7,840,121 units, or 31.45% of market sales activities. Future Energy Source Company Limited ordinary shares with 3,297,782 units, representing 13.23% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited shares with 2,909,509 units, representing 11.67% of market sales activity. Investor activities remain concentrated in distribution, media, and energy plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for March 12, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.94 and buying at $155.95. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $2.26 transaction spreads meant the Canadian dollar sold for $113.85 and was bought for $116.11. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.32 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $208.47 and was bought for $209.79. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, life rarely organizes financial responsibilities neatly. Instead, they arrive together, supporting children, managing health, maintaining a home, and preparing for the years ahead. Your credit report cannot solve every challenge, but it can give you something incredibly valuable: clarity. Clarity about where you stand, clarity about options available, and clarity about the next steps that move you closer to the life you envision. And when clarity meets intention, something powerful happens. You stop feeling overwhelmed by the financial demands of this season of life, and you start leading it with confidence, because ultimately your financial story is still being written. And it is tools like your credit report that help ensure that the ending is one you choose. In our Funded and Focus feature, the most successful companies are using AI, but they're not chasing every new tool. Instead, they focus on building a simple stack that supports their business goals. Attract clients, manage finances, build strong teams, raise capital, scale operations. When AI tools are aligned with those goals, they stop being software subscriptions and start becoming profit-generating systems. The biggest mistake beginners make with AI is that they subscribe to many tools, but it doesn't add up to a system. So as we have been saying, do this. Start just with one goal, right? So you have a list, but just start with one. Pick more clients, better cash flow, faster marketing, less admin work, okay? And then add AI tools slowly around that goal. And this leads to the real opportunity most people are missing, which is AI is not just about productivity, it's about economic leverage. In the past, growing a business required more staff, more overhead, more time. Now a small business owner can operate like a much larger company using AI. That's the real shift happening now. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.